Research JM Financial Services joining. Rahul, thank you so much for giving your time to ET Now. Pleasure talking to you. Yes, it was a wobbly start for the market. We still see volatility, and of course, can't forget it is the monthly expiry session. How do you see the second half of the market?
Yeah, so we've been in a roller coaster ride since last one and a half session, and the good thing is the GST gap that was there, GST day gap that was there, that has been filled. Now, in the morning session today, we did test 24,500, from which we've seen a heroic bounce back on the intraday charts. But I think for today's expiry, this entire month has been dominated by bears, and primarily FIs are the ones who have been short in the market. Now, 24,600 is a crucial level going into the second half of today's session. Any sustenance below this could mean that we could revisit 24,500 and probably go towards 24,450 as well. On the flip side, if we do manage to not break 24,600 over the next one and a half hour, there is a good chance that towards the end of the day, we may head towards the 24,750 mark, which is approximately around 125 points from here. So volatility probably is here to stay, at least for today's monthly expiry, which is a big expiry. So far, overall, the setup of the market is that of sell on rise. So we've not sort of positionally seen a change in the market as such. So I think it's better to take one day at a time. And given the kind of truncated week that this is, plus the tariff thing, we feel that it is completely priced in. So at this point in time, any sort of short covering trigger, if it happens, can be closely watched upon. So as of now, the direct answer to your question is it's not really clear. But over the next 1 hour, if 24,600 is sustained, that could bring in some cheer, especially towards the monthly expiry.
All right. Also, Rahul, I want to understand from you. You mentioned 24,600 is a crucial support. What is your view on Bank Nifty? It is also down around 0.5% currently. What are the resistance levels you see currently, and do you think we may close in green today?
Yeah, so that's a good question. In fact, Bank Nifty put ratio was at 1 year low as of day before yesterday's close. Today, we've seen a panic sell-off in the morning, and post that, the traction or the price behavior has been positive. So my sense is it is not a level to short Bank Nifty. Even if you don't buy, it's fine. But at 54,000, the risk reward is not favorable for fresh shorts, and any bounce back can be a meaningful 800 to 1,000 point bounce back in the Bank Nifty. So my sense is on a relative scale, it is Bank Nifty which has sort of hit the absolute bottom as far as this monthly series is concerned. At 54,200 odd, the risk reward is not favorable for fresh shorts. In fact, if you look at the similar level for Bank Nifty for the day, the level is coming around the 54 220 mark. So very close to that level. I think by until 2 o'clock, if this level is sustained, Bank Nifty could be the bigger short covering candidate in case that happens, and we could very well see Bank Nifty closing well in the green for the day today.
We can hope for that, and we'll keep an eye on all of those levels. Rahul, thank you so much for joining with us and helping us understand and navigate the market and strategize the same. Thank you, and have a nice day to you. And now